Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So we are all talking about OnePlus Nord, and OnePlus Nord, it is an upcoming Android-based smartphone manufactured by OnePlus to be unveiled on the 21st of July 2020. So apart from that, OnePlus Nord was recently confirmed to pack quad rear cameras and dual front camera setup. And now a OnePlus executive has revealed that the vertical rear camera module on the upcoming OnePlus Nord would house a 48 megapixels Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.75 aperture and optical image stabilization OIS support. Accompanying the 48 megapixel camera, there will be an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5x depth camera, and a macro sensor. The executive added it was also noted that the dual front camera setup would include a 32 megapixel primary selfie camera. So again, apart from that, the development was shared on the company forum by OnePlus Nord, imaging the director Simon Liu. He also noted that there is an ultra-wide camera with 105-degree field of view accompanying the 32 megapixel main selfie camera. So we are talking about the OnePlus, and also, so we are quickly approaching the debut of the OnePlus Nord, and ahead of that one official launch, OnePlus continues to tease details about the device. Now, in a brief video on Instagram, OnePlus has confirmed some Google apps that will be free-loaded, not and also use the Google Messages. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will never miss our updates. Share. Peace out.